ensure product quality is the key to business success. As a professional manufacturing company, Zintilon always prioritizes product quality.
With a series strict inspection processes and advanced testing equipment, we endeavor that every product meets customers' standards and requirements.
Hello everyone, I'm Sibyl from Zintilon. Today we are talking about Zintilon's quality inspection process.
In our quality inspection process, we start with reviewing the design drawings and 3D models to see if they are completely consistent, and to clarify the final product appearance.
We conduct a visual inspection after reviewing the drawings.
We carefully check the product's color, texture, and physical properties to ensure that the appearance meets customers' requirements.
Following the visual inspection, the next step is dimensional inspection.
We use high-precision measuring tools like calipers, micrometers, and height gauges to measure the product's dimensions accurately.
For more complex measurement requirements, we have 2D and 3D inspection equipment, that is CMM, Coordinating Measuring Machine, at our disposal.
The 2D inspection equipment is mainly used for precise measurements of two-dimensional dimensions such as angles, diameters, and radii, which is suitable for inspecting flat parts. In comparison, CMM can measure geometric shapes and dimensions in three-dimensional space, providing strong support for inspecting complex parts. In addition, we use a roughness measuring instrument to evaluate the surface roughness of the product, and the spectrometer to analyze the material's composition and purity,
ensuring the product meets the customer's strict requirements in terms of material and surface finish. Finally, we conduct performance testing to ensure the reliability of the product in actual use. The last step is to issue the final inspection report.
After all inspections are passed, we provide the customer with a final inspection report that includes all inspection processes and results.
That's the entire quality inspection process at Zintilon. With these strict processes and advanced equipment, we ensure that every part meets our customers' high standards, such as ISO 9001, ISO 13485, IATF 16949, and AS9100D, etc. These certifications are not only a recognition of our quality management, but also a guarantee of our commitment to customers. So, if you are looking for a partner who can provide high-quality products and excellent service, Zintilon is a top choice. We look forward to working with you to create a better future. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time!